how to turn on or turn off message requests from everyone on Twitter app. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and click on settings and privacy right here, then go and choose the fourth option. It's privacy and safety. Then choose direct messages option. It's here, I think it's the 5 one. Click on it. Now as you can see, you will have this option of allow message requests from everyone. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you later. Thank you so much.